start again. It's a red skin.
Hello and welcome back, fellow YouTubers. Got another inking project here. Me inking over a professional penciler, comic book professional. I'm just homing up my skills, like I said. Today it's going to be a mixture of actual traditional ink and digital ink. I'm going to ink this pretty much all the way through. At the end, I'm going to scan it in and make some touch-ups at the end using digital artwork. Just me basically practicing in between the two. So I will see you at the end of the video. So enjoy. Alright, I scanned it in on my phone and uploaded it to my little tablet here. And this is the Manga Studio I was telling you about. And as you can see, I already did the touch-ups and everything to it. And I like this version of Manga Studio. I don't have the Clip Studio yet. I might get it one day, but we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna zoom in here so you can get a closer view of the other details I did. I'm still trying to figure this damn thing out, but we'll get to it. But anyway, with this you got all different kinds of ink levels you can do. There's a whole bunch of brush settings, material like screens for the backgrounds. You can import new paint brushes to it, or you can even create your own paint brushes like I did. I think I'm gonna try to do a video or two of how to create your own brushes. But it's an awesome program. But anyway, back to the picture. What I just did, like I say, just a skyline on this one. Didn't want to make it too complicated, but you yourself, you can add in building in the background if you want to, just to test your skills. That's what I'm gonna do on another one that I'm gonna try. We'll try that and see how it goes. But like I say, as a professional, if you become a professional inker, you need to know how to actually draw some things just in case. Sometimes you'll just have a thumbnail of whatever the artists do, and you have to add in your own artwork in the background. But majority of the time you have to go by whatever the pencil put down, and you want to stay close to his art style as possible, especially if you're a newbie to the game. But hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, we're going to do different things in the upcoming videos. Thanks.